God.
¿Sabes qué es? Es de esos de globos, ¿no? De líneas que usan para los funerales.
Dad, what is that?
No.
Oh, that's a Starlink.
Is it really?
Starlink train.
What is that?
Son satélites. Yeah, that's the Starlink train, mijo. Come check it out.
What is that? What's this
Yeah.
train?
Look at, oh boy, they're hauling ass.
Yeah.
What's this train? What the?
Oh, yes.
Those, yeah, they're all satellites. They launched. Those are the satellites that Elon Musk launched. He has like 11,000 already up in the.
Son muchos. Where the fuck did they go now?
Yeah, they're hauling ass. Mijo. They went. You probably see them in the front.
¿Te salen, Joseph?
Sí.
Ahí van.